Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat menonton. Wah. Oke, selamat welcome di game kampret, yaitu getting overhit. Getting overhit. Oke. Di malam yang sesunyi ini, sehabis hujan, alhamdulillah ya hari ini udah hujan. Dan pada akhirnya sumur gua nggak asat. Wow. Sebelum kita lanjut, jangan lupa dulu yang buat kalian belum subscribe dulu sekarang. Oke bray, jangan lupa klik loncengnya agar selalu mensupport untuk upload video-video baru begitu ya. Oke, langsung coba main new game.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Orangnya keluar dari apa sih ini, gentong ya? Gentong bray. Sebentar tadi gue sempet main juga bentar dikit, cuman gue nggak tahu nih, belum nggak ngerti banget, gue cuman nonton doang di YouTube. Wih, kita mulai. Kok kayak gini ya? Cok. Iya. Gamenya kayak gini mulu, kita harus bisa bray. Ini kan kita adalah seorang petarung. Jangan sampai kita Wih. Ini mainnya pakai mouse ya pemirsa. Apa yang terjadi? Pokoknya ini game melatih kesabaran. Wih. Ya iyalah, nggak bisa banget. Tolong nih. Susah banget gitu ya. Oh gini aja deh. Nah.
There's no feeling more intense than starting over. If you deleted your homework the day before it was due, as I have, or if you left your wallet at home and you have to go back after spending an hour in the commute. If you won some money at the casino and then put all your winnings on red but it came up black. If you got your best shirt dry cleaned before a wedding and then immediately dropped food on it. If you won an argument with a friend and then later discovered that they just returned to their original view. Starting over is harder than starting up. If you're not ready for that, like if you've already had a bad day, then what you're about to go through might be too much. Feel free to go away and come back. I'll be here.
Bukan di situ. Nah. Tar dulu. Woi, tar dulu. Ayo botak. Kita harus bisa botak. Ini apaan sih anjir? Wih. Nah.
Alright, thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any point. Just find a safe place to stop with the game. Don't worry, I'll save your progress, always, even your mistakes.
With the game apa sih? Oh, kalau udah progress, kalau udah nyampe mana gitu. Dengan kita.
This game is a homage to a free game that came out in 2002 titled Sexy Hiking. The author of that game was Jazzuo, a mysterious Czech designer who was known at the time as the father of B games. And B games are rough assemblages of found objects. Designers slap them together very quickly and freely, and they're often too rough and unfriendly to gain much of a following. They're built more for the joy of building them than as polished products.
Bangke. Coy.
Oh, you just lost a lot of progress. That's a deep frustration, a real punch in the gut.
That's a deep frustration or reference. Tahu aja kalau gue frustration. Frustasi maksudnya gitu ya. Tunggu dulu gitu. Woi. Ah, iyalah. Ini gentongnya nggak pecah-pecah ya.
Oof, sorry about that.
Sorry buat bacot banget gitu. Bacot banget abang ngomong itu. Coy, gue kok ngeliat di ini di YouTube speed run cepet banget, cuman 1 menit gitu ya. Udah pro dia, gentongnya udah emas juga. Oke. Ih. Nah. Cok. Coy.
In a certain way, sexy hiking is the perfect embodiment of a B game. It's built almost entirely out of found and recycled parts, and it's one of the most unusual and unfriendly games of its time. In it, your task is simply to drag yourself up a mountain with a hammer. And that act of climbing, in the digital world or in real life, has certain essential properties that give the game its flavor.
Tunggu, santai.
No amount of forward progress is guaranteed. Some cliffs are too sheer or too slippery, and the player is constantly, unremittingly in danger of falling and losing everything.
Cakep. Iya.
Anyway, when you start sexy hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game. It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people never got past it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your strength, trying to find a way up and over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the correct method or the correct equipment or just by spending enough time. In that sense, every pixelated obstacle in sexy hiking is real.
Nyangkut palunya. Wih. Susah nih. Ini mousepad gua. Alas mouse gua ini sempit. Lalu kita atur dulu, Bre. Yo.
Oh, it happened again.
Oh, man.
Keep on trying. Don't let it get to you.
Shit. Man, jauh banget dong.
This thing that we call failure is not the falling down, but the staying down. Mary Pickford.
A few moments later.
And I ain't going to be treated this way. They feed me on cornbread and cheese. They feed me on cornbread and cheese. They feed me on cornbread and cheese, and I ain't going to be treated this way.
Woi.
Let's go down, boy.
Shit.
Hey, buddy.
Nah. Cok. Ngecek. Nah. Woi, jangan. Mana dulu ya? Aduh. Ini mouse banget, coy.
The obstacles in sexy hiking are unyielding,
Bangke,
and that
bangke.
makes the game uniquely frustrating. But I'm not sure Jazuo intended to make a frustrating game. The frustration is just essential to the act of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about climbing. A funny thing happened to me as I was building this mountain. I'd have an idea for a new obstacle, and I'd build it, test it, and it would usually turn out to be unreasonably hard. But I couldn't bring myself to make it easier. It already felt like my inability to get past the new obstacle was my fault as a player rather than as a builder. Imaginary mountains build themselves from our efforts to climb them, and it's our repeated attempts to reach the summit that turns those mountains into something real.
Nah. Woi, woi.
Critically accepting their tastes. It can only mean that you have no respect for them.
Liwat.
Andrei Tarkovsky.
Ah, shit.
2 hours later.
Gokil. Kalau mau main game ini jangan lupa sholat malam ya. Karena mungkin akan mempertebal. Shit. Ini gimana dong? Coy, ini gimana coy? Kayunya bepekep gitu lagi. Nah. Bangke, bangke. Alah. Aduh. Pas di merah itu bray, kita akan selesai. Maksudnya bukan selesai, maksudnya menyelesaikan video gitu. Udah makan hati gitu, kurus gue main game ini. Oh shit, nah mantap sekali pemirsa. Kita berada di posisi menguntungkan, jangan sampai salah. Nah, sampai aja kalau gini mah. Anjir gimana sih? Kagak nyampe palunya coy. Nah. Wow, gokil. Oke dah. Enggak jarang. Thank you for watching. Buat kalian yang jangan lupa komen, like, komen, dan subscribe gitu ya. Jangan lupa klik loncengnya. Kampret. Nanti kita akan lanjutkan. See you next video and bye-bye.